Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if you can use two different devices to access the same wallet on LEDGER Nano S Plus or any other, honestly. So if you have your LEDGER Nano S Plus or any other device or two devices, it doesn't matter what are those devices, they just have to be hardware wallets. Then of course you can use them both with the same account connected, so they will be able to access the same assets. And how to do it is basically, once you set up your wallet, you know how it generates the recovery phrase. And that recovery phrase can be later on entered on a second device, and that will make both devices have access to the same assets, which is quite great because you can use one device to, for example, use it on daily basis, and the other one you can store it for convenience in another country or in a bank safe. However you like it, you can just store it securely and you have access to it all the time. That's really great. And yeah, so you'll just need to, once setting up the second wallet, you'll need to, instead of set up as new one, select the option to recover from a recovery phrase or from a seed phrase, whatever it's called. It's the same thing, but just two different names. And yeah, once you do it, it'll be done. And remember about passphrases, if you're using one, then also enter the passphrase, because it's also needed to access the wallet if you were using assets on a wallet with a passphrase set. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.